In this video, I will show you how to share a PDF link from Google Drive step by step. So for the first step, we will need to go to our Google Drive. If you are not into that drive, then you can go to Google and search for Google Drive. Then you will click on the first result and you will arrive at this page. You sign in. After that, you'll arrive at this page. So what we want to do now is we want to upload the PDF document we would like to share. If it's not there yet, just go to upload files and we will upload something like this one. And now it's uploading. As you can see, we have uploaded the PDF document and we would like to share the link with people. What we can do now is basically we can add people to our Google document so they can view it, but we can also click on the three dots and there is an option to share. There is the option copy link. Now you have copied the link and you can share it with people wherever you want. That was it. Cheers, guys.